Welcome to Circuit Buddy. Today we will be discussing about adductor muscles. I will be giving you some important tricks in this video so that you can easily memorize all the adductor muscles in the body. Keep watching the video and be with me so that you can understand and memorize all the adductor muscles. Okay. So first of all, what is adductor muscle? Adductor muscles are those muscles which help the body parts to move towards the body axis or the sagittal line of the body. Okay, so now we will be talking about the adductor muscles of the arm at the shoulder. So of arm at shoulder. Okay, now for this let us write a simple sentence here. Stop tickling. Okay, suppose someone is tickling you on the shoulder and you are requesting him to stop tickling. From this sentence you can easily memorize all the adductor muscles present in the at the shoulder. Okay, so S for subscapularis. Subscapularis. Okay, now let me take another color. T for teres major. Teres major. Okay, now P for pectoralis major. Okay, now tickling. T for triceps brachii. I for infraspinatus. Okay, infraspinatus. C for coracobrachialis. Write it as brachialis. Okay, and L for latissimus dorsi. So let me write it here. Latissimus dorsi. Okay, so these are the adductor muscles at the shoulder. Now we will be talking about the adductor muscles of the hand and the wrist. Okay, so hand and wrist. Suppose you are holding a cube, a Rubik's cube in your hand. Okay, so the trick is cube. CU means carpi ulnaris. Okay, now this carpi ulnaris is of two types. One is extensor, one is flexor. So we can call it extensor carpi ulnaris and flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay, so these are the adductor muscles of the hand and the wrist. Now we will be talking about the adductor muscles of the fingers. For this we have to erase the board. So of fingers, there is only one adductor muscle, that is palmar interossei. Probably you remember in the last video I have told about the dorsal interossei of the hand and the foot. So they are present in the palmar side actually. So the palmar interossei, okay. Now we will be talking about the thumb. The thumb. Okay. The adductor muscle of the thumb is adductor pollicis. So adductor pollicis. Now we will be talking about the adductor muscles of the lower limb of thigh. So lower limb of thigh. The trick is, suppose you are writing a paragraph on mobile phones, okay, and you are placing the page on the the thigh. So the trick is paragraph on mobile, okay. So here P for pectineus. So P for pectineus and G for gracilis, okay. Now mobile, so 1L, okay. Mobile, M for magnus, okay, B for brevis and L for longus. And as these muscles are adductor muscles, we call them adductor magnus, adductor brevis and adductor longus muscles, okay. So these are the adductor muscles of the thigh. Now we will be talking about the foot, and for the foot we have two adductor muscles, and for this we have to remember a simple word. So of foot, that is piranha. Suppose you are stepping on a dead piranha fish, okay. So you are connecting the foot with the piranha, and that's how you can remember the adductor muscles of the foot. And now P and I means plantar interossei. So plantar interossei, okay. And the H stands for adductor hallucis. So the H stands for adductor hallucis. So these are the adductor muscles of the body, and thank you very much for being with me